baby mother. You good?
Yep.
Hey guys, I have a question for asking, right? So Malika is now 4 years old, so right, so early in the morning right now.
Everybody just wake up.
Body just wake up. Look, you can look on her face and say she's grumpy. But my question is, if anybody who have an autistic child, right? Oh, you guys potty train them because we've been trying for potty train Malika for how long now, babes? It's been a while. Unsuccessfully, obviously. Unsuccessfully. Sometimes she use it, you know, but sometimes she do her own thing and thing, you know. So you gonna keep me down?
I said sorry.
Eh? You gonna keep me down, babes?
No, I keep it down because I'm dusty man. Don't mean that you see
I the breeze because the balcony did open, so I had a breeze covered. How's everybody doing today? Today is in the life of the Andersons. You understand? Typical Sunday morning. Yeah, stop telling. Actually, because we just wake up, guys. This is how we look like we literally come out of a cave. Not even teeth no brush it, guys. You understand? Not because she drove and brew my first time in a...
You know what?
Months. Yeah, come talk about say, yo, I don't do nothing on Sunday morning like me lazy. like me lazy. Oh boy. But we're just there chilling with people and I say, you know, yeah, we can show you guys some more intimate side of it, you know. We're bringing up on the journey today. One guy is supposed to come drop off something in a bit, one little piece of the box spring. The box spring will go over there, go buy in a furniture store, them almost kick you out. Then they're supposed to come drop it off today. And yeah, we don't know what the day holds still. We just go on all our vibes and chill out and thing. Babes, I can't smile, you know. Jesus and peace, man. Jesus. I can't smile, babes. Watch all the TV, dusty. TV stand dusty over there, so. And thing. Guys, yeah, man. Just want to say, you know, we appreciate you guys a lot, you know. Everybody who take the time out for, first thing first, no matter what your face look, no matter what your look, you understand what I'm saying? Just to keep it real. That's a natural. You understand? I appreciate all of you guys. Everybody will take the time out for come, you know, visit the channel, stop our channel. If you're not even subscribed, you watch the video. Yeah, man, we appreciate you guys a lot. You know, our community are grow. We have a growing community, the Andersons definitely. You know, we keep it real, we keep it 100, the Jamaican family. We know living in Canada for the past few years. So just show you guys the day-to-day ins, the day-to-day outs, what it is like, how we came here, we show our journey constantly. Definitely, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, go and go subscribe. Leave a like, leave a comment. And all of them things there, right? We understand. So, yo, YouTube is a big platform and you guys have many options. So the fact that you guys take the time out for even click on the video here. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. We appreciate it. Look on the big old truck where them people are come for drop off. One little back spring in a people. Watch out. Someone move like say, a house and land. One little back spring. Like excitement, you know. So I know. So we live all the way up on the 9th floor, guys. Of course, you know. Well, not of course, you know. Probably new. But we live on the 9th floor in a 12th floor apartment complex and thing. So we're pretty high. And like for people like me, I'm afraid that heights. Like it took me a while for really get comfortable doing this. Coming on the balcony and them things. I feel like say your phone not to drop out of your hand. Perfect. touching.
Where's the do?
Underman work. You feel like my man the underman coming in. Yeah, you feel like my man the underman coming in.
Or even not pay for that service there.
That might tell you. Underman work.
The guys who kind of lowering down the bed head. That's what them call it.
Bed frame.
Bed frame, bed head. Whatever they want to call it. Bed head, bed frame, whatever. Put it in the box. Whoop! Be careful. You put it in the box, box spring, so the mattress is a bit higher. But the bed frame, as him call it, it's still too high, so we're just putting it down.
A little. Hey, Wayne Marshall is Mr. D.I. Wayne. A D.I. Dems. Tell you that.
So I don't know why the husband always this. They want handyman, you know. So guys, yeah, we're about to do some laundry. So the man top up the card. Sorry. Yeah.
Take some for me though.
Yup. As usual. Sit there. Put in your card, put in the laundry card. And stuff like that. Can't show no pin.
People are going to laundry room and I'm going to do some laundry as not set. You guys are forward, we show you the setup already, like, yeah, typical Sunday, you know, wash day, cleaning day, road day. While the clothes are washed, I go up on the road, I buy some gas and I go just, you know, go up on a little walk in and every little thing so you guys can see what go on. So we just top this up with $10 because a $2 wash, I wouldn't really have much things to wash today, so this is how the laundry card look like. Which part we live at least. Alright, so forward.
Go Malika.
Come on, person.
Come Malika. Come on, MJ.
Yeah guys, so then our laundry room now look busy. I say another machine I use. Them two are empty, but I want three, so look if none of them are running so empty. Better using three are running so. One bag of dirty clothes. Use judgment. Measuring club. So when I go up on the road and I buy some gas and then look at thing, you know? So far, this not done for now, this will take how long, this will take about 37 minutes guys, so I'll make a run out and come back.
Kaya my friend. You kind of feel bad though.
Oh, I don't have a lane.
You're not being a look at your lane. In your lane.
You stay so. So the reason I choose to come at that gas station here, guys, Circle K is one of the big franchise in Canada and probably in the US too. I don't know, I've never been there. But it have one of the cheapest gas in Grand Prairie, so I really prefer the gas station here actually. But there's other gas station and gas is typically like the same price for the most part, but I don't know, I just prefer the gas station here. So of course I see there's no pump attendants. There are some gas stations that do have pump attendants here in Alberta, but for what I realize mostly is that you fill up for yourself. You put in a debit card right here, so you have a debit card slot outside. You put in a debit card, you select the gas you want, you put it in, and then a self-serve. If it is that you have a debit card and you use cash, you have to go into the store and then punch it in there, so and thing. So for them, just a top up a little, buy $20 gas. Generally speaking, this give me like, no, because gas is really expensive, this give me like 15 liters of gas. But this usually lasts like for the entire week because Grand Prairie is a very small town, right? Yeah man, so I kind of not have to buy like too much gas. Yeah, so I'm basically done this one now, as I say. Self-serve there, one thing. And thing, yeah, ready for the road again. So if you can't tell already guys, today is a Sunday. So Sunday is here is a little bit different than Sundays when we were back home, because like you could tell that it's Sunday, right? But here you can't really tell that it's Sunday because the roads are still busy, everybody's still out and all of them stuff, and there's a lot of people who still go to work on Sunday, so you can't really know if it's Sunday or not just by looking at the environment. So typical Sunday like this, what we usually do, we usually just come out of the house a little, we usually go up on the walking trail a little bit, or we usually just go to the park a bit and hang out. So we'll do the same thing again today so you guys can see what it is usually like in our life on a Sunday, right? So we put some clothes in the washer earlier, and that usually take like half an hour, so we just go in and go and put it in the dryer. So that will take like an hour. So instead of just sit down and watch your clothes, we just go up on the walking trail a little bit so you guys can see what it is like, alright? One of the things that we really love about being here as well is the fact that outside the place is so clean. You can pretty much get money for your plastic bottles, right? Not any plastic bottle, but like your drink bottles, your juice boxes and stuff like that. So if you have kids who drink like a little juice box or Pediasure, like Malika has a Pediasure baby, you can trade it in and you can get money, guys, right? It'll just come like you can trade in glass bottles and stuff, which you can do as well. You have a few recycling depots and stuff, and everybody go there. Everybody from bank manager to everybody go there, so for trading back and stuff. And a lot of persons use it as their main source of income, where them just go around and then gather all of the plastic bottles, juice bottles, all of them stuff, and then trade it in. So we did actually go in the other day and trade it in. So yeah, we'll show a little clip right here so you guys can see what that was like, right? Yeah guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. That's how Malika just a roll in. Yeah. Up and walking trail a little bit while them clothes are go and wash. So this is like one of a few in and around the area. Grand Prairie is a small town, so there's not like a whole lot, right? But there's quite a few. Like if we go up on a trailer, we can walk around the entire city. But like for bigger cities like Edmonton, we know that they have more walking trails and stuff like that, right? So yeah, just stay tuned as usual, showing you guys what it is like. This is what summer looks like. We actually have another shot of winter. I think we took a shot of winter where what this looks like in winter. In winter there's no leaves, there's no grass obviously. It's just white and stick. That's all I see as far as I can see right here. So there's no trees, there's none of them things there. Just imagine that. Alright? So yeah, stay tuned. Mine on the gap, you know. Yeah, we're not go too far, because I don't know not scared walk go far. Yes, sir. Up on the trail for a little bit, you know. Stuff like that.
Like, they didn't pile up
the trash?
The trash and stuff. I don't know, cartoon, I'm trying to remember some cartoon we used to watch. I don't know.
Yeah, this is so gorgeous.
This is not gorgeous.
Whoa.
So what are those?
Babes, look how this pretty. Come look at your now, look.
Bush.
No? Hey guys, leave a like if that was a very gorgeous picture a while ago. Right? It's simple things in life how we talk about.
Look, when last year, because of the drought and the hot weather, last year it was much more beautiful.
Yeah, last year they pretty still, but this still pretty, babes.
You got a glass then try and something.
Come, mommy, you can't walk back, you have to walk up front. Hold on, mommy, on. Honestly, guys, for me, this is one of the best feelings. But I don't know about nobody else. But the ability to just go for a walk with a free, contented mind is a big deal for me. Right? But I love if everybody can experience this, guys. I mean, not a joke, right? The thing is, we love a country, you know. So as I can see on my hand, I have a Jamaica flag. Because we represent everywhere we go. But to be honest, we can't have them serenity here in Jamaica. Come on, me. And that's the thing. And you see, a lot of persons migrate to bigger countries like to UK, to America, to Canada. And they pretend like say they're the only ones who should be able to experience these things.
Oh, look at me, I'm in Canada. Look at me, I'm in US. Oh, look at me.
Right? A lot of persons pretend like this is something that them alone deserve. Right? But honestly, guys, we are here to tell you guys that there's nothing special about us. There's nothing special about anybody else. All we were given is just an opportunity because we did try a thing and it worked out for us. It can work out and it will work out for you too. Right? Honestly speaking, guys, from the bottom of our heart, we would love if every single person watching this video right now get an opportunity to experience what we are experiencing right now. There's nothing special about us. We're never more smarter than nobody. We're not more talented than nobody else. We're not richer than nobody else. We're given an opportunity. We were just blessed actually with an opportunity. And we just share the blessing, guys. We just share the blessing, which is how we start to channel. We start to channel to make you guys know, say, yo, you can do it too. It's not just about us. It's not just about anybody else. Everybody's journey is different. Focus on your journey. Focus on your family. And do what is best for your family. I love this country. I love Jamaica. But honestly speaking, the quality of life, guys. The quality of life is what I talk about. Come on, man. Quality of life. There's no two ways about it. Hello. How's your walk?
Good, yourselves?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Good. Lovely day, huh?
Absolutely a gorgeous day. Have a good day. How are them here, Barry? Bush life. How are them here, people? Is it? Are them here the cherries something? Them?
I have no idea, Bush.
I want to meet one of them here from Poison. Eh? Hey guys, one thing, them feet one.
Eat it, don't. Let me try it.
Oh, you have the yellow one too. Or orange one. You have the red one. I have the orange one. Is it the same thing but one ripe and one green? I don't know. One of the nature loving persons, one of the Canadians watching this video, please comment and let me know. Would I die if I eat one? Hey man, do you know what these are, bro? Oh, I'm having an earphone. I'm zone right out. Watch him. I can't fit on nobody else. I run go pick la like my tell us I fit up 2 times. Are you enjoying the walk, Malika? Are you enjoying the walk? Oh, there's another doggy, mommy. Oh, this is a big one.
Look like enough for there.
No, this looks friendly.
This look friendly?
Yeah. There's a big one, Malika. Is she friendly?
Oh yeah, very.
Oh man. Can you manage to pet her?
Yeah, you can. Or
Wanna
you say
pet her?
hi.
You no, man. You can pet. Hi.
Hello. Oh, what's your name?
Dory.
Dory.
Hi,
Oh,
Dory.
come touch Dory,
Come and touch
Malika.
Dory, Malika. Yeah.
Malika.
Dory's a girl or boy?
A girl. Yeah.
Girl.
Dory's a big girl. Just like you.
She's running. Okay. Yeah, you too.
You don't want to touch Dory?
No petting for me. I won't be petting any dogs. I'm allergic to dogs. Since coming to Canada, found out that I was allergic to dogs. Persons like me will grow up with what, 10 dogs in a house yard?
No.
I come here allergic to dogs. But anyways, what them call that?
Poop. It's a bin, guys, but like it's like when I'm walking with a dog and like they poop,
You have to take it up.
I have to pick it up and put it in one of these bins.
Yep.
Sorry for the twanging. Okay, what is over here?
A camping thing. I don't know. What is hole
Golfing.
down there, so?
Yeah, 3 in this golf course. Yeah, golfing down there.
We're in the bush.
In the bush.
Representing our bush. Oh God.
Representing at the bush. I don't know, I have to represent. Well, I'm trying to fix the flag, people. I mean, we don't judge me, Tyler. Come on, man. You want to hold the Jamaica flag? Hold the Jamaica flag for the camera. Yeah,
Way!
that's
Yay!
That's where you're from. You're a Jamaican first. You're a Jamaican first.
Don't step on it. No, you have to have respect for it, mommy.
Hey, stay on this side. Stay on this side. Hello. I got her.
So yes guys, we're just leaving the walking trail. Tired. That you'll just steep, man. We're tired bad. So we are go home. We go home, go take out the clothes out to the dryer now, and you know, them are start to cause weekend off. Let's get weekend off.
Me and the chef period.
Yeah, chef, me can't cook.
Yeah, to make it look like say just because of week. Tell the truth.
Me can't cook something, but me can't cook. I'm not a chef.
Tell the
I'm not a
truth.
chef. I'm a chef. I'm not a chef. can do look at steamed fish. You can look at them look at something, some look at something.
Can't take that from me.
Can't take it from me. Yeah. I do rice and peas, cause this girl don't like rice and peas.
To try what they order they turn out.
Because me never cook with no love or no, so you never turn out good. I like rice and peas. You eat rice and peas. If me not eat rice and peas, me not like it. So.
Rice and peas are my favorite thing for eating, guys. I don't know, but I love rice and peas. Me eat rice and peas every single day of the week. I don't know what it is about it, but I just really and truly love it.
Can do without. Can do without that. So yeah.
Can do without that.
Yeah. Never eat it.
Guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed that walking trail just now. Oh my god, it never ceases to amaze me. Every time I go there, it's just like it gets more and more prettier. Honestly, I actually love going there. So leave a like if you like it too, or if you like to see more of those videos as well.
Yep.
Take out the dirty clothes now.
Clothes ain't clean and dry, they go in there, so ain't clean now.
Take out the clothes now, guys, and yeah, cook some food and just full of vibes. We might not take you guys on the cooking thing because you know I'm kind of shy when I cook. So yeah, pretty much yeah, we just take out the clothes and then I just hang out. You know, so we reach back home and I said so soon, just another little bit.
That's why I said don't.
Yeah, we're there back, guys. Clothes done wash. Just like a scoop up everything and now and go up to my apartment. That's the only drawback about this apartment is I don't have a wash and dry in a unit, so I have to come down here so
And go back up.
and then go back up. Sometimes I scare my dad. Understand? Anyways.
Don't worry guys, these clothes will be folded and put away.
Probably by Friday.
No, no, tomorrow, not today. Can't fold up clothes today, I'm tired. So I'm gonna throw on Malika bed, so I might wonder whether I'm throw her, they keep in the basket. But yeah. Come MJ. Yep. Whoop.
Yeah guys, so we are back home, tired. That was a very good walk, but it's very tiring. Alright, so that was the introduction of our Sunday vlog. You can look out for our vlogs every Sunday morning. That's what we're going to be starting doing. Next week Sunday evening, guys, we also will be starting our live Q&A for anybody who has any questions. Please comment to our channel if you haven't been subscribed already. Leave a like, leave a comment. Forgive me for being out of breath. If you like our content, guys, please stick around. We are a growing community. We love you guys. We love everybody. As a matter of fact, we reply to all comments. We reply to all messages. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Oh, guys, and also remember to check out our baby registry right in the description box right down below. That's for our baby girl who's coming. If you want to bless us, guys, no obligations needed. Actually, as I said, there's absolutely no obligation. Just if you feel like blessing us, guys, that's an opportunity. You can go and check it out and give us a strength. All right, big up on yourself, guys. Stay tuned. Look out for the next video. DiAndersons